Good morning, guys. Another day, another vlog. So in today's video, it's a get ready with me slash vlog, because as we all know, or some of us know, it is exam time. So you guys are gonna come to school with me, all right? Yeah. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start doing my skincare. And firstly, please don't mind my lashes. I will take care of that when I get back from school. But we're gonna start with the Garnier Pure Active 3-in-1 Charcoal. Yeah. And my face first. So, guys, this is just like a vlog to those people that don't know that I went back to school. I don't like getting my eyes wet for some reason when I have lashes on. It just feels weird. I don't want to get my pajamas dirty, child. And then we're gonna go in with the Garnier Cleansing Foam. Yup. Just a little bit. You don't need this one too, you know? Just a little bit. Just. So it is right and go. So I'm gonna be at school for like 2 hours. And then I'm gonna come back home. Yeah. Okay, now time to shower. Y'all, please don't judge it, but I prefer washing washing my teeth after brushing, since you know there's some people out there. Like, I prefer doing it after. I cannot do it like straight after waking up. I need to defrost first. My mouth needs to defrost, and then I can put in things. Oh. Okay, y'all, it is currently 7:44. I need to be out the house by like 20 past or 1/2 latest. So yeah. So I'm gonna have to do everything else off camera, because if I don't do so, I am gonna be late for school. But I'm gonna wear these sweatpants, a white top, and probably white sneakers, you know, just something simple, something not you know. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so this is the OOTD, you know, cute, simple. Yeah. Okay, guys, I have a sweet in my mouth, but it is like 20 past 8. My Uber is 14 minutes away. My Uber is 4 minutes away, and yeah.
That's where you'll find the podcast just after 9.
Alright, I'm here. Well, let's start writing. It's like 5 minutes to 9. And then I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. Okay, y'all, so I just finished writing. And it was okay. But I wanna go home now. And I am. So I'm just waiting for my Uber. And yeah. I'm finally home. But yeah, I'm about to go change and wear something comfortable and then probably get something to eat. But other than that, see you on the next one. Bye.